a romantic rustic garden, perfect ideas for February evenings. Introduction. Welcome to Decor Lab, where we dive into the heart of rustic home inspirations and enchanting garden designs. Today, we're focusing on a delightful theme: crafting a romantic rustic garden, particularly suited for those cozy February evenings. As the winter chill sets in, there's something magical about transforming your outdoor space into a haven of warmth and romance. Whether you're planning a Valentine's Day celebration or simply looking to create a serene escape, this video will inspire you with creative ideas and practical tips. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below as we embark on this journey of romantic rustic gardening. Setting the mood with lighting. To create a truly romantic atmosphere in your rustic garden, lighting plays a crucial role. Imagine twinkling fairy lights draped across trees, lanterns flickering softly on tables, and candles casting a warm glow. Begin by strategically placing string lights in key areas, over seating spaces, along pathways, and around focal points like garden arches or trellises. This not only enhances the visual appeal but also sets a cozy ambience that invites intimacy. Use rustic lanterns made of wood or wrought iron to accentuate the natural elements of your garden. Incorporating cozy seating areas. A romantic rustic garden is incomplete without inviting seating areas where you can unwind and enjoy the beauty around you. Consider using reclaimed wood benches or vintage chairs to maintain that rustic charm. Surround these seating arrangements with soft cushions and warm blankets to encourage lingering conversations and stargazing. Adding a rustic coffee table can create a perfect setting for enjoying hot cocoa or a glass of wine. Position these seating areas in spots that offer lovely views of your garden, ensuring that every moment spent there feels special. Creating garden paths with natural elements. Paths are essential in guiding guests through your romantic garden while enhancing its rustic character. Consider using natural stones, gravel, or reclaimed wood for your garden pathways. These materials not only blend beautifully with the surrounding landscape but also create a sense of tranquility. As you design your paths, think about incorporating curved lines instead of straight edges. This approach adds a sense of whimsy and exploration to your garden, encouraging visitors to wander and discover hidden nooks. Flank your paths with soft lighting or fragrant Choosing the right plants for February blooms. When crafting a romantic rustic garden, selecting the right plants for February is key to ensuring your garden is alive with color and fragrance. Consider incorporating winter blooming flowers like hellebores, pansies, and witch hazel. These plants not only thrive in cooler temperatures but also add beautiful hues that contrast with the winter backdrop. For a touch of evergreen, include shrubs such as boxwoods or holly to maintain greenery year-round. These plants provide structure and interest even when flowers are not in bloom. Mixing Adding water features for serenity. Water features can elevate your rustic garden, adding a serene element that enhances the romantic vibe. Consider incorporating a small pond, a fountain, or even a simple bird bath. The sound of trickling water creates a soothing backdrop, perfect for quiet evenings spent outdoors. If you choose a pond, surrounding it with stones or rustic wooden borders can create a natural look that blends seamlessly with your garden. Adding aquatic plants such as lilies or ferns can enhance the aesthetics and create a habitat for local wildlife. Remember, the key is to incorporating personal touches. A romantic rustic garden is all about personal touches that reflect your style and story. Consider adding elements that hold sentimental value, such as heirloom plants, photographs in rustic frames, or handmade decorations. Create a memory wall with photos from special moments, or include a small table for displaying cherished items. Personal touches invite storytelling and create an atmosphere of connection. Additionally, think about seasonal decorations that can enhance the garden's charm during February, such as heart-shaped ornaments or subtle romantic themes. By incorporating these personal elements, Conclusion. In conclusion, crafting a romantic rustic garden for those lovely February evenings is a wonderful way to embrace the season and create a special haven for relaxation and connection. By incorporating enchanting lighting, cozy seating areas, and natural elements, you can transform your outdoor space into a serene retreat. The right plant selections, water features, and thoughtful decor will further enhance the romantic ambience, ensuring that every detail contributes to the overall experience. As you embark on this journey, remember to add personal